Alright, here's a quick tip that I'm going to use today. It's been raining, and I use a 1081 musket cap. Hopefully you can see this. And, so here's the 1081s. I use this over a 209 just because it's got a bigger, more explosive, but it's old school kind of in a way. But as you can see, with the night you screw it out, and you have the double fire system. But that's as far as it's going to go up to protect it. So I just use black electric tape and come across pretty tight, not real tight. That way you keep your dome. But that way water don't directly hit down on it. Hopefully it'll hit and go down. And hopefully when I cock it, it still has enough clearance. I've heard a fawn or something. Anyway, so that's my tip for muzzleloading, hunting in the rain. You can also, put a condom over the end, or a latex glove. But as you can tell, I'm going open sight too. So I actually broke off the true glow, unfortunately. It is what it is. So let's get back into the woods.